Fellow Rotarians and friends, it's a pleasure for me to talk to you all about Rotary International Theme 21-22. Our incoming President Shekhar Mehta said that the biggest gift that we have today is the power to touch, the power to change a life, and the power to make a difference. The power to make a difference in the quality and circle of life. If we can reach out with our hands, heart, and soul, the magic begins to happen. We have the power and the magic to serve the communities and change our lives. So together, Shekhar said, let us serve to change lives. This, friends, has become the theme for the year 21-22. Serve to change lives. So, friends, our president next year is urging us all to become more and more involved into service projects. Caring for and serving others is the best way to live, as Shekhar said, because it changes not only lives of other people, but it changes our lives too. Friends, let me tell you, the Rotarian Shekhar from Calcutta is the third Indian to have become the president of Rotary International. And you might like to know that the first Indian who ever became the president of Rotary International, his name was Nitish Lahiri in the year 1962-63, whose theme was Kindle the Spark Within. So our President Shekhar Mehta, when writing his own theme, probably remembered his predecessors 60 years ago and said, and I quote, Rotary kindled the spark within me to look upon myself and embrace humanity. Friends, our leader is encouraging us to lead by example and inspire all Rotarians and Rotaractors to participate into service projects. Projects that have meaningful, measurable, and sustainable impact. In fact, Shekhar is asking us all, each and every Rotary Club in the world, to conduct a Rotary Day of Service. The other very important issue that President has pointed out is to increase membership. Friends, as we all know, the Rotary membership has remained almost static, hovering around 1.2 million for past 20 years. It is therefore time that we all Rotarians and the incoming leaders take up this challenge and become a catalyst in our own clubs, in our own districts, to increase the membership to 1.3 million by July 1, 2022. Our target, therefore, is to initiate each and every Rotarian, and the target is each one bring one, which means every one of us to bring at least one Rotarian, one person to join Rotary during next 12 months so that global membership becomes 1.3 by July 1, 2022. So friends, increasing membership and continuing our commitment to eradicate polio, fighting COVID-19 and serving our communities to change lives is an ambitious goal and also a very big challenge. But then a goal that will excite all Rotarians because we know we Rotarians love challenges, don't we? Thank you so much.